Good evening. Welcome to Chelsea Grill. How are you both doing tonight? Good evening. We're doing great, thank you.
Yes, we're excited to have dinner here.
Perfect. Follow me. That's wonderful to hear. Do you have a reservation? No, we don't. No problem at all. We have a nice table available for two. Please follow me.
Here are your menus. My name is Michael, and I'll be your server this evening.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Can I get you something to drink while you look at the menu?
I'll have a glass of iced tea, please.
And I'd like a lemonade.
Great choices. I'll be right back with your drinks.
This place looks really nice.
I agree. The atmosphere is very cozy.
I love the lighting and decorations.
Me too. It feels relaxing.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Same here. I heard the food is excellent.
That's why I wanted to bring you here.
I'm glad you did.
Here you are. One iced tea and one lemonade.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
We need a little more time.
Of course. Take your time.
What are you thinking about ordering?
I'm not sure yet. Everything looks delicious.
I know. It's hard to choose.
The cheeseburger sounds good.
It does. I'm looking at the grilled chicken salad.
Trying to eat healthy?
A little. But I'm also hungry.
Then maybe order something bigger.
Maybe. What are you going to get?
I think I'll order the steak.
Good choice.
What about you?
I think I'll go with the grilled chicken salad and maybe an appetizer.
Sounds perfect.
Have you decided?
Yes, I have.
Great. What would you like?
I'd like the ribeye steak, medium rare, with mashed potatoes.
Excellent choice.
I'd like the grilled chicken salad, please.
Very good.
We'd also like an order of mozzarella sticks to share.
Absolutely. Would you like any sauce with that?
Marinara sauce, please.
Perfect. I'll put that order in right away.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
So, how was your day?
Pretty busy. I had several meetings.
Did everything go well?
Yes, I finished an important project today.
That's great news.
Thanks. How was your day?
It was good. I spent most of the day studying.
Are you preparing for an exam?
Yes, I have a big test next week.
I'm sure you'll do well.
I hope so.
Here are your mozzarella sticks and marinara sauce.
They look amazing.
Thank you.
Enjoy!
Wow, these are really good.
You're right. They're delicious.
We should order these again sometime.
Definitely.
Have you thought about our weekend plans?
Not yet. Do you have any ideas? That sounds fun.
Or we could watch a movie?
Let's do both.
Deal.
Ribeye steak with mashed potatoes.
Thank you very much.
And grilled chicken salad.
Thank you.
Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, everything looks great.
We're all set.
Enjoy your meal.
This steak is cooked perfectly.
That's good to hear.
How's your salad?
It's fresh and delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
The chicken is very tender.
This restaurant really lives up to its reputation.
How is everything?
Everything is excellent.
We're really enjoying it.
That's great to hear. Would either of you like dessert?
What do you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake is one of our most popular desserts.
That sounds amazing.
Let's share one.
Excellent choice. Here is your chocolate lava cake.
Wow, it looks delicious.
I can't wait to try it.
Enjoy.
This is incredible.
Absolutely. It's the perfect ending to a great meal.
I couldn't agree more.
Excuse me, could we have the check, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Here you go.
Thank you.
Dinner was wonderful.
Yes, it was.
Thank you for dining with us tonight.
Thank you for the excellent service.
We appreciate it.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, and we hope to see you again soon.